How do you handle knowing when to make an investment? Because building a business and becoming the person that you are today has required, I'm sure, lots of intensive, both financial and time investments. And how do you handle, okay, is this something that I'm willing to go and make a risk on, or is this not something that I want to take a risk on?
Yeah, I think risk is, or rather perceived risk is heavily dependent on your competency. Meaning for me to buy a single family investment property right now at $100,000, which is a pretty cheap plate, would probably still be riskier than someone at Blackstone spending $10 million on a multifamily thing, because they know what they're doing. I have no idea what they're doing.
Yes.
Or what I'm doing rather. And so I think it's just, if I zoom out, what I'm doing right now might seem really risky to 4-year-old or to 4 years ago me, but I think like it's easier to make the risks when you kind of like work your way up the ladder. And now it's just, I'm making the same moves I've always made, just with another zero at the end of the paycheck.